competitive with other fighter aircraft, namely around $100 million until $130 million per unit. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Meet again with my channel, Army Cat 07 for AN7, a country that wants to be seen in the eyes of the world. Of course, it cannot be away from armed this country with super advanced combat equipment, both from its land combat power, military personnel, fleet of war marines, and air combat jet planes. Modern combat aircraft is not just a tool of war, but also a symbol of technological supremacy and military power of a country. From its aerodynamic shape, maneuverable capability at supersonic speed, to stealing technology that is capable of penetrating the heart of enemy air defense, these fighter jets are designed to dominate combat in the air. Every detail, from the high-power engine, the advanced radar, to the avionics system that allows the pilot to control the battlefield situation. The assembly of this fighter jet certainly represents tens of years of research, development, and trials from various superpower countries. However, all that advancement doesn't come at a cheap price. Behind its ability to dominate the sky, there are massive investments, including billions of dollars in research and development, and production costs that reach hundreds of millions of dollars for each unit. Every fighter aircraft on this list is a military technological masterpiece capable of changing the balance of power in a global conflict. It is not surprising that large countries are willing to spend large budget to have this most advanced combat aircraft as the backbone of their air fleet. In this video, Army Cat Channel 07 for AN7 will discuss the 5 most expensive combat aircrafts in the world. From 5th generation jets equipped with stealthy technology and super cruise capability, to multi-role aircraft which become a main stand in various strategic missions. Army Cat Channel 07 for AN7 will dismantle everything that makes their prices so expensive, starting from the sophistication of machines, the latest radar technology, to the weapons that make them nearly unrivaled in the skies. Starting from the United States with its $1 billion combat aircraft program, to Europe and Russia with their trusted combat jets. What are the advantages that make them the most expensive fighter aircraft in the world? How are they able to face various modern battle scenarios? And why are big countries vetting to own it? We will discuss all the answers completely in this video. Don't forget to like if you like this content. Leave a comment about your favorite fighter aircraft. Subscribe and follow me by pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any other interesting content about the world of the military, defense technology, and the latest weapon developments. The following is a review of the 5 most expensive fighter aircraft in the world, and their estimated price in US dollars, and the advantages and capabilities that match their fantastic price. Number 1. F-35 Lightning II from USA. The origin of the F-35 Lightning II fighter aircraft is Lockheed Martin Company. For the price of the F-35 Lightning II fighter aircraft, it is priced at around $90 million to $135 million per unit. This depends on the type of variant, including F-35A, F-35B, or F-35C. The advantages of the F-35 Lightning II fighting aircraft, namely, this 5th generation stolen combat aircraft is equipped with advanced technology such as stealthy capability, modern avionic and multi-role capability which can carry out missions of ground attack, reconnaissance, and air domination. Specifically, the advantages of the F-35 Lightning fighter aircraft are 1. Stealth capability, aerodynamic design which can reduce the radar footprint. 2. Advanced sensors, an integrated system of sensors and avionics gives the F-35 Lightning the high situational awareness. 3. Multi-role, can be used for air-to-air missions and also air-to ground attacks. The advantages of the F-35 Lightning II fighter aircraft are carrying out secret intelligence missions, precision surveillance, and attacks. Number 2, F-Raptor fighter jet origin from USA. The origin of the F-Raptor fighter aircraft is Lockheed Martin Company. So, how much does this F-20 Raptor fighter plane cost? Namely priced at about $150 million to $100 million per unit. The advantage of the F-20 Raptor fighter is that it is a 5th-generation combat aircraft with incredible stealing, super cruise, and air superiority capability. Even though production was stopped in 2011, the F-20 Raptor remains one of the most advanced and most expensive combat aircraft in the world. In detail, the advantages of this F-20 Raptor combat aircraft are 1. Air superiority, high maneuverability, and supersonic speed without afterburner. 2. Stealth, highly effective stealth technology. 3. Multi-role, capability to carry out ground attack and reconnaissance missions. The advantages of this F-20 Raptor type combat aircraft include able to dominate the air with the ability to defend and attack at the same time. Number 3, Eurofighter Typhoon type fighter jet origin from Europe. For the price of a Eurofighter Typhoon fighter aircraft, the manufacturer sets a price of around $100 million, $150 million per unit. The origin of the Eurofighter Typhoon fighter aircraft manufacturer, namely the European Consortium, namely Airbus, BAE Systems, and Leonardo. The advantages of the Eurofighter Typhoon type fighter aircraft from European countries are: this multi-role combat aircraft has high maneuver capability, AESA radar, and can perform various combat missions. Eurofighter Typhoon type fighter aircraft are often used by European countries and are one of the main choices for air defense. What are the specific advantages of this Eurofighter Typhoon type fighter aircraft? That is, 1. Mission flexibility, can operate in a variety of roles, from air superiority to ground attack. 2. High performance, high speed, and exceptional maneuverability. 3. Multinational cooperation, developed by several European countries, facilitates international cooperation. The advantages of combat aircraft with the Eurofighter Typhoon type, that is, carrying out combat and supervision missions, as well as capable of acting as an attack aircraft, of course. Number 4, Dassault Rafale type fighter jet origin from France. The origin of the Dassault Rafale type fighter jet manufacturer is from the Dassault Aviation Company. The price of the Dassault Rafale fighter jet from the Dassault Aviation Company is also no less competitive with other fighter aircraft, namely around $100 million until $130 million per unit. The advantages of the Dassault Rafale fighter aircraft are: this aircraft is famous for its flexible multi-role capability, capable of air-to-air, air-to-ground, and intelligence missions. The Dassault Rafale fighter aircraft also has advanced avionics and can be operated from mothership. In terms of the advantages of the Dassault Rafale fighter jet, which makes the price expensive, they are: 1. Multi-role, can perform a variety of covert and combat missions, including air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and nuclear missions. 2. High maneuver. The aerodynamic design enables the Dassault Rafale to provide high performance in dogfight. 3. Advanced avionics system, equipped with advanced radar and sensors to detect and identify threats to Dassault Rafale fighter jets. Of course, the advantages of the Dassault Rafale fighter jet are nitrogen monoxide less great, namely: 1. Able to carry out missions in a variety of weather and conditions, both day and night. 2. And can carry various types of weapons, from air-to-air missile to smart bomb. Number 5. Fighter jet with the name Sukhoi Su-57, origin from Russia. For the price of the Sukhoi Su-57 fighter aircraft, the manufacturer sets the price around $100 million to $120 million per unit. The origin of the Sukhoi Su-57 combat aircraft manufacturer, namely Sukhoi, is part of the United Aircraft Corporation. The advantages of the Sukhoi Su-57 fighter aircraft are: as Russia's first fifth-generation combat aircraft, the Sukhoi Su-57 is equipped with stolen technology, super cruise, and advanced weapon systems. The aircraft was designed to compete with the F-50 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II in terms of stealth and air superiority. For specific advantages of the Sukhoi Su-57, namely: 1. High maneuver, aerodynamic capability that allows extreme maneuvers. 2. Advanced avionics system, uses modern radar and sensors for detection and targeting. 3. Long-range combat capability, can carry various types of weapons for different missions. Then the advantage of this Su-57 type combat aircraft is conducting combat operations in complex environments and facing modern threats. Thus, these 5 fighter planes are a symbol of military technological progress, with prices that reflect the complexity and sophistication of the systems they have. Prices may vary depending on the weapon package, avionics system, and purchase agreement between the country of the purchaser and the manufacturer. Don't forget to like if you like this content. Leave a comment about your favorite fighter aircraft. Subscribe and follow me by pressing the bell icon so you don't miss any other interesting content about the world of the military, defense technology, and the latest weapon developments. And finally, share this video with your friends, relatives, and family, so that they also know about world developments regarding modern weapons and fighter jets. Thanks for your watching. See you in our other videos. Wassalamu alaikum.